Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to eBay so that you can start receiving payments to your Payoneer account. Okay, so this is a quick video and easy. So what you guys need to do first, I'm going to show you guys my Payoneer account. Okay, so I've been using I've been dropshipping on eBay for a very long time. I have made a lot of videos about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Now, as you can see, guys, just created this new Payoneer account. Now, as you can see, these are the payments I have received from eBay. As you can see, this is from eBay, this is from eBay. So to link your Payoneer to eBay, it's very easy. So what you guys need to do first is you can't link your Payoneer directly here, but you can link it if you click on sell. Okay, you want to click on sell in the top, and after that you want to click on list an item, and then you want to list a random item. It doesn't really matter, it could be just something like, it can be a digital product or a physical product or just your phone. You can take a picture of your phone and sell it and act like you are going to sell it. After you click on list an item, they will ask you then to link your Payoneer. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean. For example, I'm going to sell, let's say I want to sell, for example, Apple Watch. Okay, I'm going to click on search and I'm going to click on continue without or I'm going to, for example, I'm just going to add all these. Okay, click on new, continue listing. I'm going, yeah. You can add a picture, just click on add a picture. You can add a random picture even if it's not related to the product, it doesn't really matter. Now I scroll down and after that you want to click on list it. Okay, you want to, of course you want to add all the information of the product. List it. It says here item location. I have to add the item location and then click done. The shipping service, I need to add here the shipping service. Okay, so I'm going to add here shipping options, international. All right, so now I'm going to for example this one and see if we need to do something. Yeah, okay, and click on list and I'm going to see now if there is an error. All right, now it will take you to the next page. The next page, you want to enter your phone number. Okay, your phone number, and then click on resend the code. And then the next in the next page, it will ask you guys, do you have an existing Payoneer account for this person? You want to click on yes, sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click on create one. Now in the next page, you will ask you guys for your credit card information. Okay, your financial info. As you can see at your now this credit card will be used to charge this card for eBay fees. Okay, or any chargebacks, something like that. After that, the next one, it will say submit registration info, and you will have to wait, I would say, like a few hours, and you will be accepted. This is just a new eBay account for today's video. Okay, so I'm trying to explain to you guys how this thing works. Now, like I said, you just need to add here your Payoneer. Click on sign in if you already have a Payoneer. It will take you guys to this page where you have to enter your Payoneer information, password, and email address. And that's it. Now after that, here the financial info, the card, you will ask you for the card number. Well, if you don't have a card, you can get it from Payoneer. Just click on get Payoneer cards, and here you will find the card. You can find virtual card or physical card, and then you can use it for eBay. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys, and drop a like, and see you guys next one.